Okay, I just woke up this morning. I saw this video from Biafran Defense Headquarters, like Biafran Liberation Army. And when I watched the video, I was like, wow. And I'm going to share the video with you. I believe that most of you have seen the video, of course. But if you have not, this is an opportunity for you to see the video and tell me what you think about the video. Because people actually believe that, taking PM out from the picture will go a long way to make things better for them, and they will be able to achieve what they want. But somebody who don't learn from his past mistakes, well, I don't know. It's just that some people they don't know how to correct the dot, because you kidnap Masam Ghana. What I nearly said, arrest. You kidnap Masam Ghana and believing that will mark an end of the agitation. At least you can have your ear, to listen to other things that you bothered you, and you try that and you succeeded in kidnapping him. Yet you multiply the noise, you multiply the agitation, you multiply the activities of Biafrans, and now you did not learn from that. You now think that you are kidnapping buying a PM or kidnapping him will go a long way. He did not give you the chance to do that, let alone it's not working or anything at all. Let alone that it did not work. But the issue is that you tried and tried and tried. That if you even send some people to Finland to, buy him together with them, and then some people can have a terror mindset in this life. So anyway, none of them worked, and then you think that by using this allegation and tagging Finnish government and reporting that he committed this and committed that, we actually give you what you want. But guess what? All the people, because when you hear that people are tagging Finland about PM, that is all about what they are going to, that is a Nigerian government, or you think that is from Fulani, is these DOS members. Citizen Observer, which some people say is a mega gift. They are the same person. I don't know. But all I want to say is that those of them claiming that to be Igbo are behind the report that Finnish government actually received. Now, BLA, Biafra Liberation Army, did not bother to list anybody. And Biafrans decided to sit at home, making sure that everywhere is a ghost town. Every Monday they turn it a ghost town and nobody comes out. You can't deceive people. And now the mega gift is now sharing videos about it, which I'm going to react to that video. But for now, let us focus on the report from Biafra Liberation Army. As of today, the 28th November 2024. So here is the video that I want you to listen to. This is from Omuniwa. Wow. It's serious.
So I can't put the na second video so I teach you. I teach you to have Nigeria army. Does you have go see.
So that report is one of the things that the Biafra Liberation Army have to share with us. Not only this one, like I said, one of. So meaning that others are on the way. So this is another report here, and the write-up here says this, which I'm going to read. From the headquarters of Biafra Liberation Army today, IC Royce welcome my equal partner, Commander Storm. He will resume duty on the 30th November 2024. I, C. Royce, appreciate C. Storm for assisting C. Royce in neutralizing the zoo terrorists. And the video is what you are going to see now, which is this. Let us play it so that you will understand what I said here. So this is from Biafran Liberation Army, like I said, and the update is that the Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran Defense Force are, in preparation of what is going to come anytime soon. As you can see on the screen, they say 2nd December is the key, and people actually believed that taking PM out of the picture is the best way to stop anything, and he's gonna do this and do that. So they understand that not these people, these guys, these Biafran armies are not they are not connected to any crime in our land. Mano bodike, but if you get there's another video trending as of yesterday. At one particular village, I saw that post, but I did not pick it up because I want to make sure that I verify the source. But what they said is that this community are very, very, very worried. They are calling for PM assistance because of those who claim that PM and Biafran Liberation Army are their problem. How many of you have come to rescue have rescued any community? But in Biafran today, if any community is being threatened by any armed group, the first person to call to is PM. And they know calling PM is just like calling for Biafran Liberation Army for their rescue. They have done it in many places, and that is why Biafran actually love them and making sure that they keep on doing what they're doing. I know you may not like it, but that's not the truth. You don't like it because maybe probably your brothers from the other camp who drive joy, making sure they set committees ablaze and kidnapping people. That's why most of you are so angry about the way Biafran Liberation Army are stopping the crime and kidnapping going on in our land. These people are not a threat to anybody. What they're doing is to make sure that they checkmate the activities of non-Biafrans who actually want to continue the genocidal war of 1967. But it's not about what you think. It's about what people actually want. If you doubt, ask yourself who is financing them. It's the Biafran. It's not hidden. That's why they're doing fundraising, publicly, so that people are not gonna say, "Oh, you are financing as a armed group." No, this is a nation, for crying out loud. Call it what it is, and it's not gonna cause you any harm. I just want us to understand that a lot of people are doing what they're doing deliberately, simply because they are not a partaker, they are not involved, they are not welcome because of the criminal mindset, and they know it will take them ages for them to, do the atonement for all their crime and their sin before people can take them serious. So for them to remain relevant, they will choose to commit more nuisance, thinking that's the best way to solve it, but it's not. Time will tell. Like BM Law will always say, that what you don't know is bigger than you.
Church must go down. Church must go down. Church must go down. Nigeria church must go down. Nigeria church and the helicopter must go down. We must bring them down. Come on, Higwe. More Noru. Okay, come on, Higwe. There's more. There's more national. Come on, Higwe. More Higwe. This is Baron the Gentle Lion. This is Baron the Gentle Lion. Baron the Gentle Lion. Our man is at work. Mazinam Dikana, be happy. Be happy because your boys, your children is at work always. Your family liberation is at work. Simon Epamangari. Omugin Oro. All your jet and the helicopter must go down. And careful and go to you go out, go and come back. onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị ifo Simon Ekpa na-ekene ya maka na Simon Ekpa bụ odogwu, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ odogwu, ha menwere ife. Anyị kọọ we must bring them down. Otie okwu isi a na-akụ igwe akwụnụ na anụ dị ya for those na-adịrị asị na anaghị eme akwụnụ ekwetego na ọ na-eme. For those of you amaghị anyị na-agabiga, for those of you don't know what we're passing through, I think you are hearing the sound. You are hearing the sound. You are hearing the sound. These are not the same as choice. You dey hear them. I just say make I use this opportunity to tell those of you that out there when Biafra Revolution Army tell you do this, you will not do it because you don't know what you are passing through. To save you, those of you. But this time around.
Anyway, thank you so much for your time. I just want to share this with us. We will be aware of what is going on because some people think because they are doing propaganda, so everything must be propaganda. Or if okay, and God bless you. Please subscribe and like the video. See you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.